Today's topic is insert graphical objects and illustrations. Relevant knowledge. Often when you write a technical report or a newsletter or even letter to friends, including some form of graphics make the document more interesting. In technical report, you may want to incorporate a graph or corporate performance of a technical illustration. While in a newsletter or letter to family and friends, you enjoy sharing memorable events that are represented by photos or maybe even cartoons. The facility to blend these graphics into the document is part of the charm and power of every major word processing programs. When you want to send or write any technical report, newsletters, or want to send a letter to your family, friends, and want to add some objects, illustrations, diagrams on that, then it is necessary to use objects and graphics or pictures to design your letter more attractive, user friendly, easy understandable. That's why we have to use graphs, pictures, clip art in our documents. Next, but not only can we blend graphic image into our message, but Word, WordPerfect and OpenOffice. These are the different name of Microsoft Word. Also allow us to blend the other special features. These features are generally known as objects. These objects can be almost any form that can be generated as a computer file, sounds, music, drawing, objects, spreadsheet, etc. are all examples of possible objects that can be included in a document or linked to a document. These are the special features we can add or attach sound, music, drawings, documents, spreadsheets to our letters or newsletters, even documents to make our document more attractive. Next, clip art can help in making a document look colorful and presentable. Some also important topics there. Most word processors have support for inserting illustrations in the form of clip art, shapes, pictures, chart, etc. That we discussed. Clip arts, shapes, pictures or chart. These are the special tools provided by Microsoft Word. Using these tools, we can design our documents, letters more attractive, user friendly and easy understandable. Clip art, the special features provided by Microsoft Word, where we can insert pictures, shapes, drawings, in a current document. Here some websites are given. You can use these websites to download these types of pictures. Next, in this exercise you will learn to use clip art. इस एक्सरसाइज में हम लोग जानेंगे क्लिप आर्ट के बारे में. And the first thing is to insert a clip art in a document. If I want to insert a clip art in our document, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a new document in word processor. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the option Clip Art in the illustration group. These are the ribbons. Here Insert tab and here Clip Art options. You can click here. Step 4. The Clip Art task pane appears. These are the Clip Art task panes. Enter the Clip Art category name in the search box and click Go. Step 5. Once you click Go, a window appears along with list of clip art matching the search keyword. जो भी आपने सर्च किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपके स्क्रीन में बहुत सारे क्लिप आर्ट पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे. These are the here search the logo and all types of logo are available on a task pane. Next, select the clip art that you want to use, double click on it and it will be inserted into your document. जैसे आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे या राइट क्लिक then select insert, it will inserted on your document. Next topic is to download a clip art from www.openclipart.org. These are the websites where you can insert a new clip art pictures if you want. Then open a web browser, type the address www.clipart.org in the address bar and press enter key. When you press enter key, a lot of pictures will shown on your screen. Now you can select the clip art you like and download it to your computer and insert it using the photo options in the word process. After downloading, you can insert these clip art pictures on your Word documents for designing your letters. Next, some exercises are given there and assessments. All students have to solve the fill in the blanks and answer the following question and send them in a group. If you have doubts regarding any topics, then you can ask. Thank you.